Hi there, and welcome to another Tribe Forex Power Hour. I'm Marcello. Today is June 17th, 2014. I'm going to do today what I've done for years, which is an analysis of the markets and evaluation of our currency pairs to determine our bias. So what is bias? Bias is the highest probability direction of the market on that particular day. We use it to determine the direction of our trades. We execute those trades by bias in two ways. One, we take a set and forget it trade, or two, we day trade in the direction of our bias using what we call pods for bigger profits. If you don't know what that is, go to tribeforex.com. You can learn more about pods. Very powerful concept in the markets. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets really quickly. I'm going to kind of blow this thing out very quickly. Euro dollar, as I said, consolidation yesterday. And so what we got was we got a sell-off, consolidation, exactly what we thought we would. Price basically went above the 50 MA a little bit more than expected, up to 135.86, and then came straight down. And then bounced back upward off of the 88 Bollinger Band low, which is currently at, or was currently at 135.33. We went down to 133.35. I'm sorry, 135.35. Okay, so we're looking for another consolidation day. We may get a bounce off of this Bollinger, this trend line at the bottom here, or we may use that Bollinger as a bounce point. Dollar Swiss consolidation all the way, 2, 4, 6 days in consolidation here. And so we're going to look for, and you can see here, guys, that it actually bounced right off of the low here at 89.63 that I mentioned. I mean, I drew these in yesterday. So if you didn't see the, if you don't believe in technicals, just take a look at these calls and then look at the market the next day after the calls, and you will be a believer. There's not much to believe. There's no creative burden there. If you see it happening, it happens. So right here at the top again, guys, so I'm looking at 9000 as an area of resistance here, and then back again at 89.63 as an area of support. We will see how long the market's going to hold this consolidation pattern. We'll make a decision, but right now, consolidation on the euro, consolidation on the dollar Swiss. As you can see here in the pound dollar actually dropped. I made a little bit of money off that pound dollar drop. You can see that it's also in consolidation, bouncing between the 80 Bollinger Band and the old band and the new band area. Yeah. And actually, all right, and let's take a look at the dollar yen consolidation there on the pound dollar. Look for price to bounce off of about 69.90. Right here we're at the low, so I'm going to be looking for price to really bounce off of 169.50, which is that lower area here, make its way up. Dollar yen consolidation as well. I call the buy off of the low here off the trend line. It didn't quite get down to 101.73. It got down to 101.80. From 101.80, it shot up to 102.23. That was your trade. That was your opportunity. You can see here that it's bouncing downward off of the middle Bollinger Band. And so that is what we're looking for. We're going to look for price potentially. We're in consolidation here, guys. You can easily see price come back down from where it is, or it could approach the bigger consolidation pattern, which is a flag formation, and get to 102.50 if that's where it wants to go. And actually foresee it going up to 102.50, which means that we're more likely than not going to see the euro dollar drop down to the trend line here at the bottom. Dollar Swiss really come up to that upper trend line, perhaps, or where the Bollinger Band is, upper band is there. Dollar yen is going to be looking for, basically bouncing off that upper trend line, which is at 102.23. So the Aussie dollar had a big drop today, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens here, because we are in a consolidation pattern. It kind of pushed down inside of a consolidation pattern. It's going to be interesting to see if it bounces off of 93.14 or about 9300 and heads back up. If it uses this area of this trend line, which is 93.47, as a area of resistance and bounces off of it. So if you see price move up, look what it does at 93.15 to be telling of where it wants to go. Right now, we have to look for a sell here, because we've fallen below the area of support, and now that support is most likely going to become a resistance point unless there's massive amounts of news that are going to push it back up. above there. Okay. Euro yen, same thing, consolidation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of consolidation. We're kind of at the upside of that, so I would look for a sell off of the 138.50 in that vicinity to the downside. All right. Pound yen, same thing, consolidation, 1, 2, 3 bars. You can see that trend line really looked like it was getting ready to burst, but it did not. We didn't have a breakout of that trend line. 173.34 is where we're at, where the trend line is, and we are currently in price at 173.25. So it's very, very close. I'm going to be looking for a sell here. It's a consolidation sell off this on the pound yen. New Zealand dollar consolidation as well. Once again, we expected it to get up to 86.90, got up to 86.82, very, very close, and we're in the middle here. Now, if it goes down to about 86.50, a good buying point can take you back up to 86.87, more likely. And that's what I have on the New Zealand dollar. Dollar CAD, consolidation again. And from where it is, guys, you can see it push up to the upper portion of the trend line, 1.0908. So if you get it to 1.0908, that's a good place to sell off of on the dollar CAD. It's in consolidation, clearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars in consolidation. And that is pretty much our calls. Those are our calls, guys. So look for a sell at the area at the high end of the consolidation bar, and then also for a buy at the lower side there. I gave you pretty much the calls. Look through them, rerun this video, and you will have the answers that you need. And I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. We have opportunities every day, opportunities in a consolidation, opportunities in a trend, and that's why we love the Forex now. You know, even when the market changes, we still have more opportunities. Just requires some form of an adaptation on our parts. These are great opportunities if you know what to do with them. So to learn more, if you have any questions, go to tribeforex.com. Would love to help you to figure this out. All the best. Bye-bye.